Hello students, today I am going to show you what are the software requirements for advanced Java with web application lab and how to install those software. We have the software requirement like JDK, Tomcat server, Eclipse and MySQL. So for Java installation, I will show you the link in the description box of this video from where you can download those software. So for Java installation, you will get the JDK and install it on clicking the next button, and after the installation you have to put this environment variables, system environment variable. So go to run and edit search box, it like environment variable, go to edit system environment variable, go to environment variables, then click on path, edit, new path, put the Java installation folder from JDK bin folder, click on that part, select those from the browsing those window, C drive, then program files, then Java, then get the JDK bin. Up to this, copy this path and put in the system environment variable. Okay, then click on OK, OK and OK. So all this thing is installed Java. Now we have to download the Eclipse. When you have downloaded the Eclipse, you will get the zip file. Put in the drive where you have to install it. Then unzip this Eclipse. You will get this one. Click on Eclipse. It is installed. You have to just double click on it and run the application. This is a zip file. You will get the zip file, you have to extract it and just run the application Eclipse, nothing else. Now we have already downloaded the Tomcat server also, and from the link you have to download the Tomcat server. Now install the Tomcat server. So going to the Tomcat 9 installation, so click on the double click on it. Next, leave it as it is. Put root as username and system. I'm putting system as a password. You can put any password, but you have to remember those passwords because this is needed for when you develop the web application. Now click on next, install, and you have to install the Java runtime environment also. That I will also put the link on the description of this video. Now run it. Okay, it is running. Now go to Eclipse. Sorry, D drive. Eclipse. Now run the application. You can create a shortcut key of this Eclipse icon in the desktop also. Now create launch workspace. Now go to Windows, show view, servers. So it will show no server available. Now click on this link. You will get the Apache. Then go to Tomcat 9. Click on next. Browse it. Click on the installation Apache installation directory, Tomcat server installation directory. Click on this, select folder. Now click on next. You will get this project. I have already created the project one, so otherwise you can go back. Let me show you. Go to file, new, you will create the dynamic web project, name as a DBC. Suppose I am giving my name as a DBC project, so click on next, next, finish. A DBC project has been created but no servers are available, it is showing. Click on the server, Apache, Tomcat, next, browse it, Apache, go to program files. I'm starting from the very beginning. Program files, Apache Tomcat server, Tomcat 9. Select this folder. Sorry, back, Tomcat 9. Next, put only the up to Tomcat, not bin. Select folder. Next, select the DBC, add it, finish. So servers are running. Stop, it is showing stopped. So you can go to here, start. So it is showing error. So 805 required by Tomcat are already in use. So what to do? So go to details page. See, this the server IP address, server ports. So you can do one thing. Go to Tomcat server, double click on it, or yes, it will open this one. Now change the port. So suppose 805 is blocked, so put 806. 8080 is blocked, so 80 put 8081, or put 809. Instead of 8009, put 8010. Now test it whether it is working or not. Now again run it, start the server, save it. So 8080 is blocked, allow it. 805 and 8080 required by Tomcat are already in use. So do one thing. 8080, change the 8080. I have already changed, but it's not reflected. So you have to put 8082 Tomcat admin port 8082 HTTP 8082 0. Save it. Save it and now run it. Start again. 805 is required by this port block. So 805, change it to 806. Save it. Now run it. Start it. So now it's working fine. Tomcat server is working. Now I'll create a application JSP file. So where you have to create the JSP file, go to DBC, click on it, source, main, web app. Create a web app application, new JSP file. JSP file are known as Java server page. New file.jsp, put a name in the index.jsp. Next, finish. Now I'm writing inside this I am writing hello world. Save it. Just run this on server. Open with, not open with, run as server, run on server. Localhost Tomcat localhost started. Next, finish. Hello world is printed. See, so we are on the right path. In the next video, I'll show you how to install the MySQL and MySQL Workbench. So if you have any query, you can ask me in the comments below. Thank you. Have a nice day.